them nothing, but take from them everything.
Yeah, money slow. Check it. Doesn't mean you gotta give up on your financial. Yeah, I'ma tell you like this. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Money slow, I still have faith in God. Doesn't mean I'ma stop praying to the master. Long as I got God in my life, I should be blessed. When I turn around, I don't mind doing God's mission. Hitting the streets, feeding the word to the lost. So I'm praying that I get delivered. God open doors for their financial. When people lose their job, tell them one door closed, another door open. No man in hell can stop my blessing because God got me in his hand. Sometimes God closed door for a reason, to get our attention. Keep your mind focused, God will bless you many more if you stay humble. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Everything I speak, it should come to pass. I never sleep on my blessing. I serve a big God because he never let me down. He always there when I need food on my table. Money keep coming in left and right. I walk by faith, not by sight. The Lord is my shepherd, I should not want. All God wants to do is trust in his word, stand on it. I'm a child of God, the most highest God. I got the power of God. I live by faith, city to city, state to state. I'm blessing God favor. Whatever I need, I should have because I'm a true praying man that trusts in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah. Money slow, still have faith in God. Money slow, still have faith in God. Yeah.